Imagine a world without the rich, warming flavor of vanilla. It's almost unthinkable, isn't it? From its humble beginnings as a tropical orchid to the star ingredient in countless recipes, vanilla's journey is as fascinating as its taste is irresistible. This cherished spice has traveled far and wide, infusing its sweet elegance into various cuisines around the world. But there's more to vanilla than meets the palate. Let's delve deeper into the sweet elegance of vanilla and uncover its hidden health benefits. Vanilla, while known for its delightful aroma and taste, is also a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants like vanillin, it neutralizes harmful free radicals and shields our cells from damage. Not only that, but some compounds found in vanilla also possess anti-inflammatory properties, potentially easing inflammation throughout the body. Traditionally, vanilla has been a go-to remedy for soothing the stomach and aiding digestion. Its calming aroma is also known to enhance mood and alleviate stress and anxiety, making it a natural pick-me-up. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies suggest that vanilla may contribute to heart health by helping lower cholesterol levels. It's even been hailed as an aphrodisiac, believed to kindle passion and intimacy. Research into vanilla's potential anti-cancer properties is promising, with certain components showing protective effects in lab studies. Plus, it's linked to improved cognitive function and focus. And let's not forget about its beauty benefits. Vanilla's antibacterial properties can help cleanse the skin and reduce acne breakouts. And when used in hair care products, it promotes healthy hair growth and adds shine. So not only does vanilla add an exquisite flavor to your dishes, it also supercharges them with a myriad of health benefits. From enhancing the most delicate pastries to adding depth to savory dishes, vanilla's versatility in the culinary world is unmatched. This tantalizing spice is not just for sweet treats. It can be a secret ingredient in a hearty stew, adding an unexpected depth of flavor. Or imagine a splash of vanilla extract in your morning coffee, turning a simple brew into a gourmet experience. But let's not forget about baking. From cookies to cakes, vanilla is the unsung hero that brings out the best in other ingredients. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring each element performs at its peak. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making your own vanilla extract at home? It's simpler than you might think. We spoke to a seasoned pastry chef who told us, "Vanilla is the backbone of my kitchen. Its subtle sweetness and rich aroma make every dish special." Next time you reach for that bottle of vanilla, remember, you're not just adding flavor. You're adding an array of health benefits and a touch of sweet elegance. Now that we've uncovered the secrets of vanilla, it's time to bring this sweet elegance into your own kitchen. Start by making your own vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. It's simpler than you think, and the result is a rich, aromatic addition to your pantry. As a grand finale, let's whip up some vanilla-infused whipped cream or churn out a batch of vanilla bean ice cream. These delightful treats showcase the full potential of vanilla. Vanilla, a simple yet sophisticated spice that adds a touch of elegance and a plethora of health benefits to your culinary creations.